Hello, everyone, and welcome to the final session of our comprehensive HRIS course. What an incredible journey we've taken together. When we started, we were exploring the basics of what an HRIS even is. Today, you're equipped with knowledge that spans from fundamental data concepts to cutting-edge AI applications, from daily operations to strategic implementations, from compliance management to vendor partnerships. But before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to reflect on what we've accomplished and, more importantly, where you go from here. Reflecting on our journey from foundation to expertise. Let's take a quick walk through the path we've traveled together. We started with the fundamentals, understanding what HRIS systems are, why they matter, and how they've evolved from simple record-keeping tools into strategic business platforms. We dove deep into data, exploring how HR data forms the foundation of everything an HRIS does and why managing that data with precision and care is absolutely critical. We got practical, learning how to navigate HRIS interfaces, generate meaningful reports, and ensure data security and employee privacy. We went strategic, discovering how HRIS transforms HR from an administrative function into a strategic business driver through analytics and workforce intelligence. We explored the future, examining emerging trends like AI, mobile technology, and blockchain that are reshaping how organizations manage their people. We tackled the business side, mastering compliance requirements, project management principles, and vendor relationship strategies that determine implementation success. Each lesson built upon the previous one, creating a comprehensive foundation that prepares you for any HRIS challenge you might face in your career. A transformation you've achieved. Here's what's remarkable about where you are now. You've transformed from someone who might have viewed HRIS as just another business system into someone who understands its strategic potential for organizational transformation. You now know that data quality isn't just technical, it's the foundation of business trust and decision-making. HRIS implementation isn't just about technology, it's about change management and strategic alignment. Vendor relationships aren't just procurement, they're strategic partnerships that can accelerate business success. Compliance isn't just following rules, it's protecting your organization's future and building employee trust. Analytics isn't just reporting, it's turning people data into competitive intelligence. This knowledge makes you valuable in any organization that uses HRIS technology, which in today's world is virtually every organization. The current state of HRIS, a rapidly evolving landscape. As we conclude this course, it's important to recognize that HRIS technology is evolving faster than ever before. The systems we've discussed today will look very different in just 5 years. AI and machine learning are already transforming recruitment, performance management, and employee engagement in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago. Mobile-first design is becoming standard, making HR services accessible anytime, anywhere. Employee experience is driving interface design, making HRIS systems as intuitive as consumer applications. Tier analytics are helping organizations anticipate workforce needs, retention risks, and skill gaps before they become problems. Integration capabilities are creating unified digital employee experiences that span HR, IT, finance, and operations. This rapid evolution means that continuous learning isn't optional. It's essential for anyone working with HRIS technology. Your career opportunities, where this knowledge takes you. The expertise you've gained in this course opens doors to numerous exciting career paths. For HR professionals, you're now equipped to lead HRIS implementations, drive data-driven HR strategies, and become the bridge between HR and IT in your organization. For IT professionals, you understand HR business requirements in ways that make you invaluable during technology evaluations and implementations. For business analysts, you can translate between technical capabilities and business needs in the complex world of human capital management. For project managers, you have specialized knowledge that's in high demand for HRIS implementations, some of the most challenging and valuable projects organizations undertake. For consultants, you can advise organizations on HRIS strategy, vendor selection, implementation approaches, and optimization strategies. For entrepreneurs, you understand the HRIS market well enough to identify opportunities for new solutions, services, or consulting practices. The HRIS field is growing rapidly, with organizations investing billions of dollars annually in new systems and capabilities. Your knowledge positions you to be part of this exciting growth. Continuing your HRIS education, staying current and growing. Learning doesn't end with this course, it's just the beginning. Here's how to continue developing your HRIS expertise. Stay connected with technology trends, follow HRIS vendors, read industry publications, attend webinars and conferences. The technology landscape changes quickly. Build practical experience. Look for opportunities to work on HRIS projects in your organization. Volunteer for implementation teams, process improvement initiatives, or vendor evaluations. Develop specialized skills. Consider focusing on specific areas like HRIS analytics, compliance management, or integration architecture based on your interests and career goals. Build your network. Connect with other HRIS professionals through LinkedIn, industry associations, and local HR technology groups. The HRIS community is collaborative and supportive. Pursue advanced certifications. Consider vendor-specific certifications, project management credentials, or specialized training in areas like data analytics or change management. Stay business-focused. Remember that HRIS is ultimately about enabling business success through better people management. Keep developing your understanding of business strategy and HR's role in organizational success. The future of work, your role in shaping it. As HRIS professionals, you're not just implementing technology, you're helping to shape the future of work. The systems you design, implement, and optimize will determine how millions of employees interact with their organizations. You'll play a role in making work more human through technology that eliminates administrative burdens and enables people to focus on meaningful contributions, creating more inclusive workplaces through systems that support diversity, equity, and accessibility, enabling flexible work through mobile, cloud-based platforms that support remote and hybrid work models, protecting employee privacy through secure, compliant systems that handle personal data with care and respect, driving business success through analytics and insights that help organizations make better decisions about their people. This is meaningful work that impacts real people's lives and careers. The knowledge you've gained gives you the power to make that impact positive. Key principles to guide your HRIS journey. As you apply what you've learned, keep these fundamental principles in mind. People first. Technology should serve people, not the other way around. Always prioritize user experience and employee needs. Data integrity, accurate, complete, secure data is the foundation of everything else. Never compromise on data quality. Strategic thinking. Connect every HRIS decision to business objectives. Ask how each feature, process, or system contributes to organizational success. Continuous improvement. HRIS implementation is never finished. Always. Look for opportunities to optimize, enhance, and evolve. Collaboration. The best HRIS implementations result from collaboration between HR, IT, business leaders, and employees. Build bridges, not silos. Change management. Technology implementation is really change management. Focus as much on people adoption as on technical functionality. Future readiness. Choose solutions and strategies that can adapt to changing business needs and emerging technologies. A personal message, your HRIS success starts now. Before we say goodbye, I want to share something personal. The HRIS field has given me an incredibly rewarding career, allowing me to work with organizations around the world, help solve complex business challenges, and see firsthand how good technology implementations transform workplaces and people's lives. I see the same potential in each of you. The knowledge you've gained, combined with your unique perspectives and experiences, positions you to make significant contributions to this field. Whether implementing your first HRIS, optimizing an existing system, or planning a major upgrade, remember that you're not just working with technology, you're helping to create better workplaces and better employee experiences. Your action plan, next steps. As you leave this course, here's what I encourage you to do. Immediate actions next 30 days. Review your current organization's HRIS and identify improvement opportunities. Connect with other HRIS professionals in your network. Start following HRIS industry publications and thought leaders. Short-term goals next 6 months. Apply for involvement in HRIS projects or initiatives in your organization. Develop a specialized skill area based on your interests and career goals. Attend at least one HRIS conference, webinar, or training program. Long-term vision, next 1 to 2 years. Position yourself as an HRIS expert in your organization or industry. Consider pursuing advanced certifications or specialized training. Build a professional reputation through networking, speaking, or writing about HRIS topics. Final thoughts. The journey continues. As we conclude this comprehensive HRIS course, remember that this is not an ending, it's a beginning. You now have the foundation to build a successful career in one of the most dynamic and impactful areas of business technology. The organizations that master HRIS technology will have significant competitive advantages in attracting, developing, and retaining talent. The professionals who understand both the technology and business sides of HRIS will be the ones leading those organizations. You're now part of a community of professionals who are using technology to make work better for millions of people around the world. That's something to be proud of. Thank you for joining me on this educational journey. It's been my privilege to share this knowledge with you, and I'm excited to see the impact you'll make in your organizations and careers. The future of HR technology is in your hands. Go out there and make it amazing. Keep learning, keep innovating, and keep making work better for everyone. Until next time, stay curious, stay strategic, and congratulations on completing this comprehensive HRIS course.